X-intercept. The point where the graph crosses the x-axis. The word intercept means to cross or to come into contact with. Think of an interception in the game of American football. An interception is when a player catches a pass from the opposing team. The ball and the player come into contact or their paths cross. So the x-intercept is the point where the graph crosses or comes in contact with the x-axis. Remember, there are two axes in the Cartesian coordinate system. The x-axis is always the horizontal axis, and the y-axis is always the vertical axis. Also remember, horizontal is like looking out at the horizon and is the line formed from left to right. Vertical is the opposite, as in up and down. Just as there is an x-intercept, there is also a y-intercept, which is the point where the graph crosses the y-axis. The x-intercept is the point at which the graph, parentheses, either a line or a curve, and parentheses, crosses the x-axis. Antonyms: y-intercept. Related words: Cartesian Coordinate System.